Yo, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I remain your host, Bangis, and this is With Art, where we'll present to you live from MMB Studios. I've got Muhammad on the camera and I've got Mr. KKK. And right now, we're at MMB Studio presenting the malaria story. MMB Studios decided to come up with a promotion video ad, which is going to help us explain how to prevent malaria, because malaria is a very serious disease here in Africa, especially in Nigeria and in the northern part of Nigeria, Kano to be precise. We've been having a lot of issues about malaria, especially in pregnant women, and there are a lot of patients at the hospital. It's a trending disease now in Africa, and then we decided to come up with a malaria story which is going to help give out the necessary measures that you can take to protect yourself from malaria and as well protect your family. So don't go anywhere. You're going to be hearing from the real man, talking about Muhammad Barrow, who is going to be telling you about the malaria story, and then you get to see the videos. Catch us live on MMB Studio. You know what it is. Don't touch that dial, baby.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad, the founder of MMB Studios, and together with my team we created the project Story of Malaria. Malaria is a serious disease as it has caused thousands of deaths, more especially in Africa. And most of the people being affected by this disease are pregnant women and children. Children nowadays miss school as a result of malaria. So me and my team decided to embark on a project that will enlighten the community and educate them about the symptoms of malaria, so also to create awareness of the dangers of malaria and how it occurs. To achieve this project, we decided to localize our idea by creating environments that depict our community and also the type of dressing that depicts our community, so that the audience feel that this information is targeted towards them. We started by creating an idea of how we want the project to be. So we decided to create a cartoon animated video, which we believe is captivating and very, very educative. So we started from scripting the idea, got a script which explains how the video is going to be and which information we need in the video. After we conducted some research from different doctors and other consultants in order to achieve the project. We then move forward to create a storyboard, which the storyboard consists of thumbnails, that is pre-visuals of the script, that depicts a little bit of the idea of what you are going to be seeing. We used Adobe Photoshop to create concept sketch of the characters we are going to use. So we created concept sketches and also modeled the characters using Adobe Photoshop, which we moved to the next step, that is the environment design. Awal, that is our environment designer, designed the environment to suit the type of animation we are going to make. He made use of SketchUp Pro in order to design and model the environment to our own specifications. So also, we proceeded to use that environment we designed, combining it with the characters we modeled to composite them as a single scene, which then will move forward to the animation stage. Before the animation is started, usually we rig characters. That is, we create controls that will help us in controlling those characters in order to animate them. And Abdullahi Nasir is the one that is in charge of that animation. After the animation is done, we then proceeded to use those scenes we rendered in an editing software called Adobe Premiere. And in Adobe Premiere, we join all those scenes, different scenes that you are going to be seeing in the video. We join them together and edit it and give them the best look that will suit you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that it's very educating, and I hope it is useful in the African community, and I hope that it enlightens them to show them the dangers of malaria and to understand the prevention measures of malaria. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Khalid Aliu from Dream Concept. I'm the project consultant of Malaria Story. MMB Studios are done with this project. And I pray also people make use of this preventive measures to reduce malaria spreading in this country and also in West Africa. Thank you very much.